So, for today's video ay magbabalcheck itin sin tinapay. Yada na, dardara ko na ang surudlan sa tinapay. Pakikita ko ngayon sa inyo, anak ba, gadara-dara.
Dito na kadlay, tumalag pa rin. Yeah, sige.
Pumalit ngayon ang akong patod nga mga may antak itan.
My eyes are playing tricks on me, cause I never thought I'd see you here again. Are you for real or are you acting? Claiming that I'm the best you had, and you wanna go right back to being more than friends. Sorry, I must have missed the punchline. You had the spotlight in my life, but baby, now you're out of time. Ain't it funny how it all comes back around? And ain't it funny how you can't tell up from down? Set yourself out, I'm not what you're looking for. Don't know what you expect, love ain't here no more. Oh no, if this is a joke, oh, ain't it funny? Ain't it funny? Suffering from amnesia, cause I don't know how you could forget the way you just up and left me standing all alone. I'm searching deep for one good reason to entertain you, saturate. You say you
wala na yan kitingad to sa iralong kay naubos na kasi haigbaw pala. Ganun talaga basta maghusay tagbabaligya.
Maybe you should quit. Ain't it funny how it all comes back around? And ain't it funny how you can't tell up from down? Set yourself.
Kaya yun lang po, matatapos na po ang ating video. Thank you sa mga nanonood at sa mga nanonood na din. Thank you so